Transform your videos from silent movies to cinematic experiences by mastering music integration in Premiere Pro. Let's dive straight into adding killer audio to your projects. First, we need to get our music into Premiere Pro. Head over to your project panel, usually located in the bottom left corner. Now, you have a couple of easy ways to import your audio files. The quickest method is simply to drag and drop your music file whether it's an MP3, WAV, or any other compatible audio format directly from your computer's file explorer into the project panel. Just like that, your track is ready to go. Alternatively, you can go to File, then Import, and select your audio file from your computer's folders. Either way, your music is now a digital asset within your project, waiting to be placed on the timeline. Now, let's get this music into our video. Locate your imported music clip in the project panel, click and drag it down onto an empty audio track on your timeline. You'll see it appear as a colored waveform, perfectly synchronized with the start point you dropped it at. Time to fine-tune. You can easily trim your music to fit your video's narrative. Grab the edge of the audio clip on the timeline and drag it to shorten or lengthen it. This allows you to precisely position the music's beats and phrases to match your visuals. Synchronization is key for emotional impact. Don't be afraid to move your audio clip back and forth on the timeline. Watch your video playback and listen carefully. Line up important musical moments a crescendo, a beat drop, a melodic phrase with significant actions or transitions in your footage. But what about the volume? Too loud and it overwhelms. Too quiet and it's lost. We need to adjust the audio levels. You can do this by right-clicking on the audio clip and selecting audio gain, or by using the audio track mixer. Drag the gain slider down to reduce the overall volume of the track. Alternatively, you can use keyframes to create gradual fades, making the music swell in or fade out smoothly. By carefully adjusting levels and using keyframes for fades, you ensure your music enhances, not distracts, creating a polished, professional sound mix that truly elevates your video's emotional resonance.